got this yarn and it's beautiful, but now we have to winder into the bowl. And I have no yarn winder, so I did little research and it showed that we can do by hand using just this toilet paper roll. But this one is not a toilet paper roll, this is like a kitchen paper roll because it's longer and I think it would be better for the skin, like the whole skin. Yeah, let's try if it's going to work. Let's start from opening this yarn. And by the way, this is PICHINKU. Is means in Quechua language in Peru, in Sacred Valley, it means little bird, and this is a collaboration yarn. I will talk about this yarn, maybe just let you know what is this yarn. It's 100% Peruvian Pima cotton, and one skein is 100 grams, 232 yards, or 213 meters. It said had to use needle 5 to 7 US or 3.75 to 4.5 millimeter hook, crochet hook. This is plant dye. You know, the special about this company is that they only use natural color from plants, and this is from the plants named Sharpie. I will have a video to show you the process of the dyeing yarn with plants. If this is something you like to see, give me a thumb up and comment in the comment below how excited you are. But now we're going to winder the yarn by hand, and then I want to know what do you thinking of, what can we do with this one skein of yarn, because I want to make a video tutorial for you. Something that can just use one skein of yarn, because at the moment I have only one skein of yarn, but we're going to collaborate for a bigger piece, and I'm going to share with you how to do everything, because I'm coming back now to YouTube, to Instagram, to everywhere. I want to teach you and learn alongside with you. But today's video is about winder the yarn into a ball. So like always, if you wanna skip into a certain part, just click on the timestamp below in the description box. Alright, let's start it. Check which end is the good end. Okay, this one. So we have to cut one of these, just one side wherever. I'm gonna do it here, just to be the holder. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to try to take out the yarn from this hang to have some yarn in hand that is not gonna be tangled before I show you how to put it into here. We already have this written cut. I'm just gonna take one of the end of the yarn and go into where we have cut this written thing, just to hold the yarn, the end for now. And now we're going to just wrap like so. So it's about 2 inches. You know, and now we're going to turn to wrap in this direction, in the diagonal, and also just gonna twist our cone or this paper, and I turn again, and I'm going like that, and just keep, see, in diagonal. And then we turn again. This way. And you just keep doing this. Turn again. So just keep doing in diagonal, and then you just keep turning along the way. All right, now finish. So we have this much. I'm going to do this like in the center. I'm just gonna, oops, going like that, just to be able to tie, you know, to have this one, because I want to pull from the inside, not from the outside, so my yarn not running around. So I just tie the end like that. And now take this one out, going to slide. Oops. Again, this is my first time doing this, so let's see if this works. Okay. All right, now I have the yarn to come from the inner. It's not perfect, but it's working. How to binder the yarn by hand. So this is my yarn so far. I mean, finished like this. And I can pull from the inside. Now I can work from the inside. See you next video. Let me know in the comment below if you're going to try this way. It's fun though. But I said if you're gonna build a business, get the yarn swift and the yarn binder. Alright guys, see you next video. Let me know in the comment what you want me to make with this ball of yarn. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Love you. Bye bye.